For the last few years, I've been putting together corporate gifts for our clients at Christmas time. I'm going to show you what I did for this one. Most times when I'm putting these together, I'm given a few months to gather all of the items for the gifts. This time I was given about 3 days, so I knew I was limited on the type of logo items. I went to Pinterest to try and get some ideas for gift baskets. I was told they would provide the wine, I just needed to make it as nice as possible. I went to Hobby Lobby and their baskets would take me out of my budget. I remembered seeing on another video someone using these crates they found at IKEA. So when I went there, I ended up getting all that they had left on the shelves, which was 12. So I grabbed everything they had on the shelves, and I'm sure glad I did. I ended up getting asked to do a few more, so it worked out great. I knew I wanted to give it a more rustic look, so I stained them using a water-based stain so that it wouldn't put off any fumes. I used a brown and a gray and mixed them together. Since I didn't have enough time to get any logo items made for this gift, I wanted to put something on the outside of it that would blend in. So I had one of our logo stamps and I added some Christmas trees to the outside so that it looked like something you just picked up off the farm.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. What's under the Christmas tree for you and me? Oh, little bear toys.
Once I had everything stamped, I set up a little assembly line of all of the items that I was going to put in this crate. Now to the fun stuff. So while I was in Pinterest, I had seen a charcuterie board basket, which gave me the idea that maybe I can do this if it's not too expensive. I Googled charcuterie boards and looked to see how much they were, and they were pricey everywhere. So I saw that the least expensive ones that I found were at Target. I went and wiped out really all that they had in the Hearth and Hand collection and also in the Threshold at my local Target. When I was there, I saw these trees and I thought that would be so cute. It would give it that rustic look. The dish towels were like around $3 a piece, and I kind of just went with it. I knew exactly what I was going to do at that time, and you'll see how it turns out. If you are from Texas, you're familiar with the H-E-B grocery store. In that store, you can find gourmet items in their deli section, which is where I went to get most of the things that I was going to add to it. I looked up what type of things are on a charcuterie board, and I saw that, there's relishes and honey and all sorts of dips. So when I was in that deli section, I saw the sausage. I asked them what kind of cheeses I could get that could stay unrefrigerated, and they referred me to the Laughing Cow, and Parmesans and stuff like that. So I grabbed enough of those items for this basket, and mixed nuts, and it looks so nice. In order to build up the bottom, I used butcher paper. I cut up maybe 2 or 3 sheets of this and squished it together and kind of filled up the bottom. It was dense enough to not get sunk down by the weight of the items in it.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside,
it took me a few crates to finally get a rhythm of where I wanted to place everything, just so that it filled up this crate the way that I needed it to. But you see, at the end, I had my perfect rhythm, and it looks great.
Is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
So here they are, back at my office. I added a few more things like the Ferrero Rocher and the candy canes, and the wine. But I think they turned out great. The tags I used a template from Avery.com, and they're for labels, but I printed them on a cardstock, cut them out, and then tied them to the boards with twine, and it looks perfect.
All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
That Moscow Mule cup you see in the background is part of a previous year's Christmas box. I made it like a FabFitFun type thing with a newsletter on the inside. It was actually awesome. They get better every year, and I love doing these.
It was the night